Welcome to Impulse Dynamic Trading Academy. Teach your trading success. Learn equity, futures, options, intraday as well as positional trading professionally.
Sir.
Yeah.
Just a second. Hey there, my name is JAGJIT Singh. So I came to Impulse Dynamics 4 weeks back. I attended the 3-hour free workshop on the stock trading market, and after I was done with the workshop, I came to the realization that I need to take this course. Because without proper training we cannot step into such field, like it needs proper strategies to make the real amount of money and stop making the losses and all. So 4 weeks down the lane, after I'm done with my course, I am very confident and happy to say that I can make real money on day-to-day basis, and thanks to all the faculties here, all the staff here who took good care of us, and especially the live sessions where we learned on how to use those strategies in the lifetime in the real market. And I'm so happy and I'm very grateful to be part of this team. Thank you.
Our mission is to provide individual and worldwide stock market trading education. And yes, definitely this channel is made for the traders, whoever wants to learn stock market trading. Okay, so my friend, yes, so our vision is to provide you the best education. So we are consistently coming up with the new stock market videos like trading strategies, trading systems, stock market theories. Okay, so stay connected with us, subscribe our channel, for press a bell icon for upcoming notifications. Okay, like our videos, share our videos, and thank you very much for watching our video.